Hello and welcome everyone to this Past Marathon Analytics. We are excited you could join us today for Anil Maharjan session, Power Query and Power BI to tell your story from your Facebook data. This marathon features back-to-back live webinars delivered by expert speakers from the past community. The sessions will be recorded and posted online after the event. You will receive an email letting you know when the recordings are available. My name is Noel Simela. I'm an independent consultant based in Botswana in the southern part of Africa. I've been a data professional for 17 years and a member of the past community for almost 10 years. I have a few introductory slides before I hand over the reins to Anil. If you require technical assistance, can we move on to the next slide, please, Anil?
Just a minute.
Okay. If you require technical assistance, please type in your request into the question pane located on the right side of your screen, and someone will assist you. The question pane can also be used throughout the session to raise any questions that you may have, and we will get to the Q&A portion at the end of the session, and then I'll read out all the questions aloud to Anil. You are able to zoom into the presentation content by using the zoom button located at the top of the screen. And also, please know that we would like you to complete a short evaluation at the end of the session, which will pop up once the session ends and you see a web page. So please take a moment to complete this, as your feedback is very important to us for planning future events. All right. PASS offers a lot of free educational resources available to all members. So keep learning all year long. Connect, share, and learn with other members as well. This past marathon session is presented by Anil Maharjan. Anil is an MVP with more than 8 years of development and implementation experience in the healthcare, data analytics, and telecommunications industry. He's also a frequent blogger and speaker at various events such as Microsoft Ignite Singapore and other SQL events. Without further ado, I'll hand over the reins to Anil. Here's Anil with Power Query and Power BI to tell your story from your Facebook data.
Thanks, Noel. So, firstly, thanks for joining my session. Today, this are the agenda. We will be covering what's Power BI, what's Power Query, and Power BI Desktop, and how we can use the Power BI Desktop and Power Query to grab the data from the Facebook and analyze the story behind your Facebook data. So I will be doing two demos. One for the Facebook feed train analysis, and another is the Facebook photos by location tracking. That means whatever the photos you have checked in on and made public on the Facebook, it will track the location, and then we can do analysis. So let's begin. So regarding me, already Noel also said, I am a senior BI engineer currently working in Nepal and South. It's a telco company, and then I'm a Microsoft Data Platform MVP. I got a 9 years of experience, and I used to blog, I used to speak in different platforms when I got the opportunity. And also I'm a user group leader of Nepal Power BI user group. And also I am one of the author of Power BI MVP book, which is currently, we released the book. So it's already available in the Amazon. So this is the Nepal Power BI user group, where we get a small user group, and we combine SQL user group and the Power BI user group together and do the monthly and quarterly meetups. So talking about the Power Query is first previously in 2013 in Excel is came as an add-in feature. Now it's already embedded in Excel, and it's fast. That means it allows you to connect with the multiple data sources and do your analysis. So regarding Power BI is a whole Microsoft BI stacks in the data visualization and data analysis, and somewhat now in the data analytics parts also. So if anybody want to learn regarding more about the Power BI, you can go to the link below and see. Power BI Desktop is a free version. Anyone can download it and do analysis, grab some data, do analysis, and do some visualizations. And again, Power BI Desktop, Power BI used to release the monthly updates, whatever the features you want to have in the Power BI, you can that means go to the community and then post if any features you would like to, that means add or see in the Power BI, then it's keep on updating. So these are the data sources Power BI can connect and do analysis from. So this is just a quick architecture overview where we can grab the data from the different sector, do analysis, and publish the story in the Power BI service and made as a report or dashboard and share with the end user, where the end user can use the that particular dashboards or reports and make a decision, those kind of things. So we will just show the quick demo here. So to grab the data from the Facebook, this is the Power BI Desktop, which is a free version. Once you download it, it's open like this, and then you can go to the Get Data tab, where you can see there is a more option button. So just click on it. So look, we have a different data sources here. You can take data from the files, ASP, Excel, and databases from the Azure side, and from the online services where we will go to the Facebook. Look, so it's just simple. It's importing data from the Facebook. Just connect. So here it will ask for your Facebook login. I had already put here my credentials, so it directly connect to my Facebook account, and where I can see whatever data I want to pull from the Facebook, we can easily pull by just clicking the feed. These are all the feeds what I have posted on the Facebook. So just you can click OK. Look, these are the posted I have. That means post on the Facebook. You can see, just load it. So it's importing the data from the Facebook to the Power BI desktop. So behind the scene, it's using the Graph Facebook API. So if anybody wants to know regarding this API, you can go to the internet. Yes. Look, I have already. I will also. I have already. I will share this link also. You can check the how the actually the behind the scenes how this Graph API will Facebook Graph API will work. One can go through this link. So it's already loaded the data here. These are different data you can see. So you can check by doing the edit query. These are all the feeds that I have posted on the Facebook until 2019. So what we can do here is we can go to the advanced editor feature here, and then we can also filter by the year. That means if you want to, we got a database having the huge amount of data, or we got the historical data of the maybe 10 to 20 years, it will get the data into the terabytes or so on. So if we directly connect it, it will grab all the data. Rather than doing that, we can filter by the month or by the day or by the year also here by using the Power Query. So if you need like this, we have to do this. What it's doing is it's just filtering the 2019 data only. That means 2019 year, what I have posted on the Facebook, it will grab particular year data only and load it into the Power BI. So okay. So just close and apply to load like this. So what we can do is we can just select ID and maybe the time. So what we can do is change the ID as a count and do the visualization. So it's, yeah, you can see the for different times it's giving the total feeds it's posted. Just a minute. What we see in here is it's giving the year, particular year-wise, quarter, day, month, level, total feeds we have posted on the Facebook. I just made a measure as a count. So on to, we can see from here on 2012, I gotta use Facebook feeds, and then slowly it keeps on decreasing, and then it keeps on decreasing. So this is just one visualization. You can change to different visualizations. You can see like a trend like here. So I have already made some of the visualization like this. It's some of the trends, how many times you involve or you use the Facebook, we can easily see on this year. I use most of the time in the Facebook, and then it keeps on gradually decreasing. Since this year I completed my graduations and I get a free time, so most of the time I'm on the Facebook only. Yeah. So like we can see in the detail on the day level, whatever activities I have done or who. So from here also we can see whatever story or whoever added, who that means if I got a which girlfriend I have added or like this, I've got like this, you can see. And then for the another part, for now we will see how we can grab the Facebook photos, where photos that you check in the Facebook and made public in the Facebook. So for that, I will just use one of the Power Query. So just you will go to the Get Data side, just made bank editor, and go to the advanced editor, put the query Power Query into the bottom. Like it's loaded the data from the Facebook. So here we can see different location, time, everything. So the picture is like this link. So we need to just close and apply. It's getting data from the Facebook here. Just a minute. It will load like this. So you need to change this into the particular data structure. So we need to model it. So what we can do is we can convert this picture into, go to the model tab and then data category into the image you had. So previously we have seen the picture as a link only. So in order to change into the image, we gotta change into this data category and change this into image URL. So similarly for the location, we will change like a city, and for this country, we will change into country. So what we can see from here is just choose one matrix here and choose picture and ID. So change. Look, just grab all the pictures you have posted on the Facebook, checking in the Facebook and made in the public. So it's just grabbing my photos from the Facebook and loaded into the Power BI site. So here, what we can do is we can take this one arc map where we can just put the place. We can put country level, and then maybe we can say how many pictures I have posted. So just what we can do is here I've already done here. So what we have did is look, it's
Hi,
just
Anil.
clearly, yeah.
I think we have an issue with your microphone somehow. Um,
Are you not audible? Am I not audible?
we can hear you, but I think there's a bit of latency in speech.
Okay, okay. So can you hear it loud now?
Yes, we can hear it. I can hear it now, right now. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. So here we can see by the particular country wise how many photos we have posted in the Facebook. So I can see Dublin I got 8 photos posted while I visited in the Dublin. So these are the photos I have posted, and similarly in the Malaysia, and then my home country Nepal I am from. So we can zoom in particular which city level, or we can see these are the photos I have posted while I visited in different country or different location. So what we can do is we can post these dashboards or reports into the Power BI service. You need to go to the publish button, just hit the publish button. What it will do is it will load into the Power BI service. So same visualization or dashboard we have made, you can see it in Power BI service here. So if any report you got and dashboard you need to share with your colleagues, or you need in different departments, you can make different workspace and allow the different users roles to assign to them so that they can visualize particular dashboards in their mobile, tablets, or computer. That's it. So Uh, so if anybody wants to know more about how detailed step, how you can do these kind of things, you can go to you can see the Power BI. This is the Power BI book. We got a release by the 21 MVPs. In Power BI, we write each chapter and then post it as a can release as a book. So I have all written same story or same thing. You can go through the book, follow its steps, whatever I have just shown in this session in detail. I have written, so you can go through the book and then do your own analysis from there. So that's it for me. This is just a demo mockup, just what we have shown. So I'm done for now. Any questions we got? So then I want to quick wrap up the things. Hello, Noel. Hi, Noel.
Sorry. Yes, yes, I'm here. We have one question from Hasao Chin. He says,
Okay.
how does Power BI use or link to the ESRI mapping?
Pardon?
Hasao Chin would like to know how does the Power BI link to
Mhm.
the ESRI mapping?
I couldn't get the question that means correctly. Maybe you can drop the question to my mail and then I can reply back to him or her. Is that fine? Or
Okay, let me
what?
just type it to you, Jan.
Yeah. Can you send me in the message or something? I can.
Oh, he's saying you have a report related to the location map tracking. So how does
Yeah.
Power BI link to
Uh-huh.
it? Yeah.
So okay. So what it does is we have shown we have from the Facebook it will grab the data. So and we need to just change into the particular picture, that means model. It's we can just a minute. So from so it's grabbing the data from the Facebook. This is the picture link. Yeah. So it's just collecting the data from the Facebook by using that Facebook Graph API.
Okay. Uh,
He
I think that answers his question.
Okay.
Yeah. So we have no more questions.
Okay.
Let me see if we have any more coming up. Okay, it seems no one is asking any questions. So I
Okay.
think are we all done now
Yeah.
from your
From
end?
my side, it's done. So thank you
Okay.
for joining my session. Yeah. If anybody want to ask or any questions, just maybe he or she can drop me an email or any tweet or anything. I will be happy to share the answer.
Okay. All right. Thank you everyone for attending. Coming up next, we have a session stepping into data center predictive analysis by Dinesh Priyankra. I'm sorry, some of the names I have difficulty pronouncing with my dialect. Okay, thank you everyone for joining us. Please don't forget to fill out the evaluation form as soon as you close your your session, a web page will come up. Please evaluate the session so that we can tailor the future sessions based on your feedback. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah.